everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for HackerRank account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.hackerrank.com and press enter on your keyboard. HackerRank is a technical assessment platform for developers. It can be used to test potential candidates with coding challenges and technical interviews. To create a new account and get started, you'll need to click on the sign up button at the top right hand corner. Now, select how you'd like to use HackerRank. You can select between the first and the second option. If you choose the first option, you'll get 14 days free trial with unlimited coding interviews, 95 skills, 40 plus languages, and much more. If you choose the second option, you can create a free account and you can also practice and prepare to solve problems and learn new skills. After you are done making your selection, click on Create Account. On the next page, click on the Sign Up tab and type in your first and last name. Enter a valid email address for yourself and create a new password. On the next field, click on I agree button at the bottom of the screen to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and now click on Create an Account. You can also connect and finish off your sign up by clicking on the Facebook icon, Google icon, your LinkedIn account or your GymKit account. Follow through the instructions in order to finish signing up easier without having to create an email and password. After clicking on Create an Account button, you'll be able to end up in this page. Go ahead and answer some of the questions along the way, and after you are done, you'll be able to create a new account and finish off signing up for HackerRank. You need to confirm your email address, so go ahead and open up a new tab and log into your email inbox. Open up your email from HackerRank team and click on Confirm Account. Now once you are done verifying your email, you can go ahead and start exploring. That is how you can easily sign up for HackerRank account. How to log into your HackerRank account. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.hackerrank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the main home page for HackerRank account. To log into your account, click on the login button appearing at the top right hand corner of the screen. Give it a click to open up the login area. Select your account type, whether you are using a HackerRank account for companies or developers. Select one of the options according to your account type and click on login. Make sure that you're clicked on this login tab and then enter your username or your email associated with HackerRank account. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password and follow through the reset process. If you'd like the system to remember you on this device, check this Remember Me box, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared computer. Finally, click on the Login button in order to log in and access your HackerRank account. That is how it can be easily done.
How to change your HackerRank account password. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in hackerrank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the HackerRank account's main homepage. Make sure that you are logged into your account by clicking the login button and select your account type. Enter your account's credentials in the text boxes and log into your account like you normally do. After you are inside the main homepage of HackerRank, you can go ahead and simply change your password in a simple step. From the main homepage, click on the human avatar at the top right and this will open up a pop-up menu. Click Settings from the expanded menu and under the Accounts tab, click Password on the left-hand corner. Now, enter the current password for your HackerRank account in the first text box. Now, inside the new password field, enter the new password you'd like to set for the account. Re-enter the new password again on the next field. After filling in all of the password boxes, click the Change Password button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your HackerRank account's password. That is how you can easily do it. How to change email address on hackerrank.com account. To get started, open up a web browser and also make sure to log into your hackerrank.com account. Once you're inside the main homepage, click on the drop down at the top right hand corner and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, right under Email Addresses, click on Add Another Email and type in the new email address you'd like to change to. After you are done, click on Add. Now, you'll need to verify the email address first. Go ahead and open up a new tab and log into your email inbox that you are trying to change to. You'll receive an email from HackerRank.com. Click it Open and click on Confirm My Account to verify your email address. Soon after you are done, you'll be able to see that you've added the email address. Now, you can make the new email address as your primary by clicking on Make Primary, and if you want to remove the previous email address, you can click the Remove option right next to the old email address of yourself. If you don't want to remove it, you can just leave it as it is. Now, with this few simple steps, you've successfully changed your email address on HackerRank.com account. You'll now need to click the Save Changes button on the right hand corner, and once the changes have been saved, that is how you can easily change your email address on HackerRank. How to change your username on HackerRank account. Open up a web browser to begin. In the URL box, type in HackerRank.com and press Enter on your keyboard, and make sure that you are logged into your HackerRank account like you normally do. After you are logged in or signed into your account, go and click on the human icon drop down at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up menu, click on Settings. From the Settings tab, you'll be able to see your username text box. You'll only be able to change your username twice on HackerRank. Go ahead and type in your username that you'd like to change to, and after you are done, click on the Save Changes button. Soon after that, you'll be able to see that your username has now been changed. If the video
How to log out of your HackerRank account. Into the URL box, type in www.hackerrank.com and press Enter. Make sure that you are inside the main homepage for HackerRank account. Go and click on the drop down right next to the human icon at the top right and click on Log Out in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this main page, and there you have successfully logged out of your account. To log in back again, you'll need to enter your credentials for your account. Make sure that you remember your credentials before logging out. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of HackerRank accounts. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.